Mom.
Elephant. This is an elephant. Elephant says trumpet. Elephants eat leaves. Elephants live in jungles. Elephants are the biggest land animals. Elephants use their trunk to drink water. Elephants live in family groups. Lion. This is a lion. A lion. Listen to the roar. The lion is the king of the jungle. Lions have big, fluffy mane. Lions live together. They live in groups called prides. Lions eat meat. Lions are amazing. Tiger. This is a tiger. A tiger. Listen to the growl. Tigers are strong and very fast. Tigers have black stripes. Tigers live alone. Tigers eat meat. Tigers are amazing. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. Giraffe. A giraffe eats leaves. Giraffe has a long neck. Giraffe lives in jungle. Zebra. This is a zebra. A zebra. Zebra eats grass. Zebra has black and white stripes. Zebra lives in grassland. Meet the monkey. This is a monkey. A monkey. Monkey says, "Ooh, ah." Monkey eats bananas. Monkey jumps and plays. Monkey lives in trees. Bye-bye, monkey. Good job.
Subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye, friends. See you soon.